Write a short note on dependent. The term dependent means a person who depends upon another person for financial support and maintenance. In labor law, this term is important because compensation after the death of a workman is paid to those family members who were dependent on his earnings. According to Section 2D of the Employees Compensation Act 1923, a dependent includes certain relatives of a deceased workman who were wholly or partly dependent on his earnings at the time of his death. The following persons are treated as dependents. First, persons presumed to be dependents. First, widow. Second, minor legitimate son. Third, unmarried legitimate daughter. Fourth, widowed mother. Second, persons wholly dependent on earnings. Son or daughter above 18 years of age who is infirm. Third, persons wholly or partly dependent on earnings. Widower, parent other than widowed mother. Minor illegitimate son, unmarried illegitimate daughter, minor brother or unmarried sister, widowed daughter-in-law, minor child of a predeceased son or daughter, paternal grandparents where parents of the workman are not alive. Illustration. Suppose a factory worker dies during employment and leaves behind his widow, minor son, and widowed mother. These persons will be treated as dependents and may receive compensation under the law. Conclusion. Thus, a dependent is a person who relies upon the earnings of a deceased workman for livelihood and maintenance. The law provides financial protection to such persons after the death of the workman.